Hi guys! For today's video, another highly requested na lip swatch. And I'm talking about the Blythe Lip Treat Matte Lipstick by Caroline. So ang chika, the lipsticks are enriched with vitamin E, buttery smooth and pigmented, lightweight and non-drying, versatile shades that flatter all skin tones. Perfect for everyday wear daw and smells like vanilla. Pero ang napansin ko pa is meron siyang nakasulat na after party collection. So this is probably like the first collection and then they're going to release more. Pero kung after party to, bakit siya for everyday? I mean, hindi siya ka-party-party. I don't know. Anyway, I'm so excited kasi this is the first time na bumili ako ng Caroline lipstick. So, it's time to judge. By the way guys, I bought the 5 shades pero hindi ko na makita yung isa, yung oatmeal kasi pinaglaruan ng baby ko. Hindi ko na siya makita, hindi ko alam saan niya in-insert. So I'm so sorry, oatmeal is out. So let's start with pudding. By the way, ito pala ang packaging, matte jelly-like. There's the logo, Lip Treat. So first shade, we have pudding. So this is pudding swatched on my hand. And this is pudding on my lips. And it's definitely like your lips, but better. Parang nude brown pink ang dating niya sa akin. Yeah. Is it good for everyday? Yeah, definitely. Is it good for all skin tones? Yes, definitely. Next shade, let's go for Cheesecake. So this is Cheesecake swatched on my hand. And this is Cheesecake on my lips. And honestly, ang lapit-lapit niya kay pudding. But the difference is, si pudding, ma-pinky. Etong si Cheesecake is more on the brown side. So alam mo yun, you don't have to get both. Just get which parang undertone suits you more, suits you better. But yeah, this is Cheesecake. Next shade, let's go with Banoffee. So this is Banoffee swatched on my hand, and this is Banoffee on my lips. And again, para silang same family. The difference is etong si Banoffee more on the peachy side, peachy brown side, and it's a little bit deeper than the first 2 shades. So yeah, this is Banoffee. And last but definitely not the least, Tiramisu. So this is Tiramisu on my hand. And this is Tiramisu on my lips. And this one is like the deepest shade. And ano siya? Like coffee brown. Nude but coffee brown. And to be completely honest, etong si Tiramisu yung parang pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat ng shades. And probably like the first one. Because it's either I'm gonna go nude or let's go for a deeper nude. There's no middle. So yeah, this is Tiramisu. Ito yung difference niya dun sa other shades. Okay guys, judgment time. Una sa lahat, ang marketing nila is Lip Treat. So I am guessing they're gearing towards the vitamin E infusion more than it being like, alam mo yun, parang pampaganda lang na lipstick. I'm trying to convince yun yung branding ng lipstick na to kasi honestly, I am not super satisfied with the formula. Kasi, hold on, it's very comfortable, it's buttery, it's easy to glide. Okay, positive yon. Kaya lang, it's too buttery for me. Parang I have this feeling na hindi siya kumakapit sa lips ko. Na I have this feeling na it's so easy to like, alam mo yun, ruin. Para it's just sitting on top of my lips. Parang ganong feel. Pero I love that it's comfortable, but it's not something I would reach for. Alam mo yun. Preference lang naman na. When it comes to lipstick, I want something na ramdam kong nakakapit siya sa labi ko at alam mo yun, hindi siya mawawala agad-agad. Pero with this one, I'm not getting that vibe, you know? So I can't say na I do recommend it because I'm not too excited about it. Plus, Okay, I ruined it, but the color selection, meh. Alam mo yun, it's too boring. Too boring for me. Too close to each other. Alam mo yun, it's not something na super collectible for me. I hope you understand. Lahat ng sinasabi ko, depende sa preference ko ha. You might like this. I'm not saying it's a bad product. I'm just saying it's not going to be my favorite. It's not something na I would recommend to my BFFs or pag may nagtanong sa akin anong magandang lipstick. This is not gonna be included in the list. I'm just saying. So yun. Ikaw na bahala, Day. Kung alam mo yun, this is your cup of tea base dun sa mga sinabi ko. Pero for me, it's not. Pero if you want like a super malambot na lipstick, go ahead. Ako kasi gusto ko may konting, alam mo yun, may konting But anyway, ayun na, napagbigyan ko na yung isa sa mga highly requested nyo. Next video natin, wait, tingnan ko ha, alin yung uunahin ko. Cause, yeah, may nakaline up na tayo, but I have yet to decide. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And nabawasan na utang ko ha. Again, thank you so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!